Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all may be fit or fine. Children, today we are going to start chapter number 3 More on Paint. I know, children, you like colors or paint. So let's see what is more on paint and what is the uses of MS Paint. First, I will give introduction what is more on paint. You have been drawing and making pretty pictures in paint in the previous classes. Do you know that you can also write text in different style? You can even play with pictures by flipping and rotating them. Look at the picture of the ribbon in paint. You have already know how to use command in the tools group and shapes group of the home tab. Let us recall the use of command you have learned. But before we have started chapter, you can see how to make butterfly in MS Paint. See children, how to make butterfly in MS Paint. Do you like, children? You can enjoy how to make butterfly in MS Paint. Let's see how to drawing a picture in MS Paint. Let's use various command of Paint and draw the given picture showing the experiment on how days and nights are caused. Let's see step 1. Click home tab. Now you can see your home, so you can click home tab. Then step 2, draw a globe using oval and lines as shows. Let us draw a torch with the light coming out of it and falling on the globe. Next, we will see step 3. Click oval from the shapes group. Now you can see here shapes group. So you will click there oval shape. Step 4. Draw a circle as shown. Step 5. Click curve from the shapes group. Again you will go in that shapes group and you will select curve shape. Step 6. Draw a line and drag in to make a curve as shown. Repeat steps 5 and 6 to draw the other curved line. Next, step 7. Click rectangle from the shapes group. Step 8. Draw a rectangle as shown. Step 9. Click line from the shapes group. Step 10. Draw the line as shown. Means you can select in the shapes and you will get so many types of shapes. Next, step 11. Click pencil from the tools group. Step 12. Draw the hand as shown. Step 13. Click magnifier from the tools group and enlarge the area of the hand as shown. You can select magnifier from tools group. Step 14. Click eraser from the tools group. Eraser also present in the tools group. Step 15. Click size to change the thickness of the eraser. Eraser the small portion of the torch handle that is overlapping the handle. Next, step 16. Click pencil from the tools group. Step 17. Draw the nails of the hand as shown. Step 18. Click magnifier again and right click to reduce the picture to its original size. Step 19. Select the image using rectangular selection option from the select in the image group. Step 20. Click copy from the clipboard group. Next, step 21. Click paste from the clipboard group. You get the selected image pasted on the top left corner of the screen. Now you can see here paste option, so you can click paste, then after the selected image paste on the top left corner of the screen. Step 22. Place the mouse pointer on the pasted image and drag it to the desired place as shown. Step 23. Click pencil from the tool groups. Step 24. Draw the land on the globe as shown. You can draw land in that globe and show the globe. Step 25. Click fill with color from the tool groups. Now you can see here tool groups and here present color option. So you can fill color. Step 26. Select the colors of your choice from the colors group and fill color in the image. Now you can select your colors and fill color in that image. Step 27. Click text from the tools group. Again in that tools book text option is there, so you can select text option. Look at the new text tab that appears on the ribbon when you draw a text box. Means if you draw a text tab, that time you can see in that text tool font size, bold option, so many option is here. Click here to change font of your text, click to change size of text, click to make your text bold, click to make your text italic, click to underline your text, click to choose color of your text. So many option in the text tab. Next, step 28. Drag to draw text box. Step 29. Choose color, size, font and style of your text from the text tab. Step 30. Type the text and click anywhere outside text box. Now your globe is ready. Now you can see it is very colorful with draw image. Thank you. Have a nice day.